Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 13 for income tax. Form 13 is an application used in India to request a lower or nil deduction of tax deducted at source, or TDS. This is particularly useful if your total tax liability for the financial year is expected to be less than the amount of TDS that would normally be deducted from your income. Filing this form can help you avoid excessive tax, withholding, and improve your cash flow throughout the year. Both resident taxpayers and non-resident Indians, or NRI, are eligible to apply for Form 13. This includes individuals and businesses who anticipate that their final tax liability will be less than the standard TDS rate. Applying helps prevent situations where too much tax is withheld, which could otherwise lead to liquidity issues or a lengthy refund process later on. It ensures your tax deductions align with your actual tax obligations. To apply for Form 13, you typically start by logging into the Traces portal with your user credentials. Once there, you will navigate to the section for applying for a lower or non-deduction of TDS. You'll need to accurately fill in details about your estimated income, calculate your tax liability, and clearly state the reasons for your request. Remember to upload all required supporting documents, such as previous tax returns and financial statements, and verify your submission using an OTP or a digital signature certificate. After you submit your Form 13 application, the assessing officer of the Income Tax Department will review it. If they are satisfied with your justification and documentation, they will issue a lower TDS deduction certificate. You then provide a copy of this certificate to the person or entity responsible for deducting your tax. This certificate authorizes them to deduct TDS at a lower rate or even at a nil rate as specified, ensuring your tax deductions are appropriate for your financial situation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.